Ryan Borgwardt, Wisconsin native, hates his wife so much that he fakes his own death to escape and find a new girlfriend in Uzbekistan.
I think he's a Green Bay Packer fan? They're doing well this year.
I don't know what he is, but sadly he leaves some children behind. How many days in prison did he get? Did he get fined? This is not
$30 grand in restitution. Yeah.
This is not the first time we've heard of people faking their death. You know, I'm a big Tupac fan. He, I think, is still alive.
It tells you a lot about his wife.
Yeah, I still think yes, it does tell you a lot about his wife. I don't know what's going to happen divorce-wise at this point. They're going to need a good divorce lawyer in Wisconsin, Rich. How many of your clients?
You can't just let that go.
Yeah, of course
Why
you can.
Why does it say more about his wife and not more about him?
It's okay. It's okay.
He left his kids, too, not just the wife.
Guys, cameras are rolling here, Rich.
I know, it's good.
How many of your divorce clients fake their own death to escape their wives? Or did they escape their husbands? All right.
A lot of them would do so if they knew they couldn't be caught. And they had a plan out. They 100% would.
Listen,
no doubt in my mind.
This guy flipped a kayak in the middle of a lake.
Give this guy credit.
He faked his own death. I mean, listen.
He drove an e-bike like 75 miles to Canada.
He e-biked, first off, I mean, thank God it was an e-bike, right?
He did a triathlon just to get away on top of everything. I mean, give this guy some credit.
I mean, this guy definitely.
Like 8-9 days abroad for free. That's right.
Where was he? The country of Georgia?
Uzbekistan. How much greater can that be?
I don't know. But by the way,
that is punishment.
But this guy disliked his family so much he went into the middle of nowhere to find a girlfriend, which he probably met on the internet, and now he's going to get fined. You know, did he do jail time? I don't even know. But
89 days.
89 days. I mean, by the way, that's a slap on the wrist for faking your own death. And everybody else talks about 7 years. I thought Tupac was coming back, guys. I really did.
If he was smart, he didn't think it out totally. He should have went to a country that is not part of the Hague Convention, and there's no extradition. He could have stayed out there. He went to a country that is part, I'm assuming that they are part of it, and that's why he came back, because what else are they going to say? Sorry, come back, you're going to put in jail? He would probably say, no, I'm going to stay here. My wife that I have now, or my new girlfriend in this country, is treating me well. See you later.
The most horrifying thing is that they actually probably had a funeral for him.
They did.
You know, people cried. You know, people.
No, the most horrible thing is he has 3 children.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
And I feel for them. And when I was saying earlier, I was obviously joking, but I do feel for the children. But really, at the end of the day, it shows you how bad the wife probably may be.
Yeah. So. Come on. Let me ask a question. If you're a young child, do you forgive your father, or does your son say, "Dad, I understand. I would have left there too." I mean, I don't understand.
Depends on the circumstance.
Yeah. Listen, we don't. Do we know how long he was married for? I mean, he had 3 kids.
So he had 3 kids, and I think they ranged all different
22
ages.
years. 22 years he was married for.
Well, they do say, and I don't mean to even make it. I'm not saying this as a joking manner, but I've heard this been said before.
Oh Lord, let's see where this comes from.
Yeah, if you're married for a long time, you're better off killing your spouse, because you'll get out of jail sooner, and then instead of having a life sentence. But again, I'm saying
that is not actually legal advice.
It's not legal advice.
That
is obviously a tongue-in-cheek type of comment. We're not saying that at all, but the people have said that. They're like, oh, I could, instead of going through this divorce, I would have been better just killing my husband or killing my wife. And they say it jokingly, obviously.
And I think every married family out there makes some sort of inappropriate joke like this at one point, but this guy actually saw it through. The flip kayak, I think, is a phenomenal move. I mean,
Josh,
I want to know.
Let me ask you a question.
Do you
have a snorkel?
Can you literally think of any circumstance in your head? Put the wife out of it for a second. Because I love my wife, you love your wife.
Yeah, 100%.
We can each be pains in the butt to get whatever.
Yeah, no, never.
But would you, you're leaving your children, and you're letting your children think you're dead.
Well, they do say that, boys that grow up with a rough childhood actually grow up to be a little stronger. So maybe I leave them for a couple.
That was his thought process.
Yeah, maybe he leaves them for a couple years, gets them hard nosed. That's a mentality game plan. I think it's a bad game plan.
So the
89
days that he got sentenced to go to jail is the same 89 days that he was abroad and escaped. So again, the punishment matches the crime, right? But here's what I would do. I would do home arrest for 89 days, where he can't leave, and him and his wife are in one room, and there's no TV, no electronic, nothing. That's a punishment.
But okay, let's put it all aside. Can I ask you guys a serious question?
Yes.
If you're presumed dead, right? What happens with the marriage and the assets? They pass, right? The house, if it's owned by husband and wife, passes to the wife upon death.
How is it titled?
Does he get it back? Does he get a piece of the house back?
But how about the life insurance
Well, that's what it says. Life insurance fraud.
Yeah, she got it. She got paid that back, right?
$375,000 policy. I mean, if I'm her, I'm saying, screw this guy.
Let
He's
him pay it
dead.
back.
He's dead to me. I'm getting the insurance. The death certificate says dead, right? I mean, it's a lot of paperwork for the state. And I'm guessing she...
Maybe Rich was right. He should have just killed her.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't say that.
Yeah. But maybe, I'm guessing there's going to be, a post-mortem divorce? I mean, I've never even heard of that. So the divorce is definitely...
It's on.
It's on. What about child custody? Who's going to get the kid?
Well, that could be a big factor. And when you're looking at the custody but again, depending on how the ages of the children, if you're talking about younger children, if I was representing the wife, this would be 100%. I would be a judge. You can't trust somebody that's willing to kill himself. He's unstable, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
Why don't you
My
just...
client needs to have the kids full time. Here's why.
Yeah.
And I think that's an easy case.
Why don't you just go on vacation and say, hey, I'm going to see a buddy and buy a one-way ticket and just not come back?
No, you don't buy a one-way ticket. You buy a round trip ticket.
Well, that means that's because you've thought about this. I'm saying just
like
be gone.
Just like,
be gone.
If you're gonna be a criminal, you gotta think like a criminal.
Okay,
and
that's great. That's great. Okay,
Awesome. Good times.
But he's not wrong. But
No.
again, why not just? I mean, why? This guy must have been in good shape.
I just said I say the triathlon just to get away. That's.
I don't know. He kind of cheated. It was an e-bike, right? So there had to been some
but it is
motorized
Wisconsin
power
and Canada, so
And he had swim. He had
a lot of
swim
mountains
to the shore.
Yeah, he had to swim.
I mean, listen. I give the guy credit. It just shows how bad his wife really.
Oh my God. Anyway, if you're thinking about faking your death, don't do it.
Yep, don't do it.
Don't leave children behind. Right? You're gonna
Yes.
get divorced.
No
once they-
child left behind.
Just get
child.
divorced.
Just get
And call
divorced.
Richie Sanvanero.
Yeah, that's right.
We're here to help.
New York, New Jersey, DC, Florida. Good luck out there to this guy, and excited to see what's going to happen next with the laws of Wisconsin.
Go Packers. Go Pack. Go.
Do not go Packers.
Yes. 2-0. Let's do it.
We're a New York, New Jersey
I just
firm.
want some cheese.
Yeah, that's about all they're good for out there. Anyway.
Oh, stop it.
All right. Let us know what you think.